Chia seeds are incredibly nutritious and loaded with antioxidant, minerals, fibers, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin B1, B3. Chia seeds are versatile in nature and can be used in so many recipes. Let's quickly check out the health benefit of chia seeds. The fiber and protein in chia seeds help in reducing loose weight, as protein help in building muscles and fiber help in reducing hunger, as most of the fiber in chia seeds is soluble fiber. Chia seeds contain important nutrients including calcium, phosphorus and magnesium. All of these nutrients are improve bone mineral density. Chia seeds contain fiber and other beneficial compounds that may improve insulin sensitivity. This might help stable blood sugar level after meals. Given that chia seeds are high in soluble fiber, can help lower total and LDL cholesterol in your blood. In turn, this can reduce risk of heart disease. Consuming ALA, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seed, has also been linked to decrease heart disease. Since they are packed with insoluble fiber, chia seeds turn into gel when they come in contact with water. This adds to your stool and adds bowel movement, thereby relieving constipation. If you like the video, please subscribe now and thanks for watching.